Time to do some more Forex. But not quite, guys. Australian dollar futures. I'm going to go along that way to see what's up with the volume. If the futures volume is more adequate to do stage analysis, Stan Weinstein style, to confirm breakouts and breakdowns. So right now I got the Australian dollar futures. Monthly candle chart. Let's just do that setup right now. Where's my breakouts? Here's how my chart has been morphing. Right here. That's a closer, shorter term pattern that just broke down right here. What's my target? What is my target? Arrow, arrow, arrow. Okay, so check it out. I'm going to zoom in. A lot of stuff here. Zoom, zoom. Okay, so where's my breakdown? Is it here? Top to bottom. So I had this candle right here broke down. My monthly candle chart. How do I do it? Chart trading framework. Breakdown candle. I put my sell stop above. I enter here. And my target is the implied measure move. And that's it, guys. What's my risk? That's my reward. What happened here? Price action went down. Went back up. Still not triggered out. And down it started to go, guys. So that's how I would have done it right at this stage. So right now it's been in a downtrend for the past 4 months downtrend with a target all the way down here. What little worries you think we're going to get here? We're going to get these two lows right here. When the price action starts getting there, it's going to start slowing down at .72. It might not even get down to here. You see, this is the more greedy pattern target. Right down to these lows right here. I could have shortened my target to be in line with this resistance, this support right here. Reach. And after that, just wait how the chart morphs. More candles are added. And then maybe you get a continuation here. And that's how you play it, guys. The ultimate way to increase your probabilities of reaching that possible target. Knowing that you have a further away target that has to go through some important resistance, cheat in your favor, and let the chart morph. And if there's a consolidation here, it continues, then play that pattern if you can, or else just move on to another stock. I've been whipsawed out or not reached my target by millimeters because I had that further away target, and then I realized, Pat, look, your chart, you didn't measure it correctly. You took the top line, but actually it was a smaller, closer pattern to the breakdown line that you should have been taking because you got greedy. You look at the bigger pattern. So you got to be really, really, really careful to choose always the more probable of targets. Even here, you see there was a breakout. And what's the crazy target here? Crazy, crazy target. Arrow. This is the greedy target. I would have done like that. Added to breakout line. And whoa, see it laser position. Just make sure I was fair and I drew it correctly. Okay, that makes pretty good. And yeah, I would have been triggered out, but not without any with this one here. So 1 month, you enter here. Sell stop here, target here, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, target, laser accuracy. But what you could have seen also is this shorter pattern right here. So you see that sometimes you don't get those because you have to run through, you're running through previous resistance. I could have said, hey Pat, why are you being greedy? Here's the launching pattern. These are monthly candles after all. A lot of time. I could have just easily taken that and have that closer term pattern, and in the next month, bam, I would have reached it. Not a good at all risk to reward. More risk than reward. but higher probability of reaching that target. So you could have had that target here, maybe take half off, ride the rest there, or choose the further away target. You choose, but know that these are more probable than this one. So it's all good. We know we have a downtrend right now for Australian dollar futures. We know where we might hit some hiccups at the .72, and eventually that's be our crazy target, .69 all the way down here, or .69990. All right, Stan Weinstein. And I got my super duper volume. Oh, a lot of lines here. A lot of lines. What am I going to do? Okay, I'll keep the lines. See, it's been staged. I don't know when we said we started. Would have been this candle right here. Mansfield's red, the indicator, relative strength, underperforming the US dollar index, underperforming the under the zero line for that. 30-week average going down, price action below 30-week average. Check. The trend is down, and look at that crescendo volume. So that's what I like, what I see. Crescendo volume on that start of the downtrend, and we would have entered here. If I would have missed it, now we're a little late for the party. We would have entered right here, this candle right here. See crescendo volume. Mansfield going through halfway territory. This is like ultimate stand stage 4 breakdown right here. Plus us, because we have the Ichimoku cloud breakdown. We have the monthly candle breakdown. You see it's this candle right here. Guys, that is awesome. Let me check here. Is that the last day of the month? Yeah, last week. That was the last week of the month that closed there. So that was just April 23rd. That was the ultimate stage 2 breakdown right there, where everything's in harmony, where the week is the final week of the month, which confirms Ichimoku cloud breakdown, Mansfield indicator going down. That's what you have to look for. And look, classic stuff happened after that. The pullback within 1 to 3 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks. Pullback all the way to the breakout line. Right here. So another occasion to buy. It was not on increasing volume. It was on decreasing green candles. So you could have entered right here. And when the Mansfield, you never buy when the Mansfield is going up. When you never short when the Mansfield is going up. See here, you would have waited for the Mansfield to start going down. So that'd be just the next candle after here. See how it's going down, and after that, you know that was the high of the pullback. Mansfield's going back down, underperforming the US dollar index, and that's where you get in for that continuation short. Right now, what are we doing? Sideways move. A lot of noise right here. A lot of noise below even on the weekly. That's a lot of noise for the weekly. And I don't know what's going to happen. It looks like a continuation breakdown right here. Oh, I drew a straight line. That's crazy. And if the week closed below that, then we could be continuing this trend, the trend downwards. Could have been fun. A little pullback here, back to this previous breakdown here, and then down. But or else you have this nice sideways pattern right here. That is breaking down right now. Tight. See all those candles? Those wicks below the weekly defined breakdown line? That's noise. That's a lot of noise. A lot of fluctuation, guys. So gotta keep an eye on that. I think it's continuation breakdown in progress right now. Definitely broke down on the monthly. The volume is giving us some good clues, and I'm going to keep doing the futures, guys. I have them all lined up, and I'm going to keep an eye on the futures from now on when I do a Forex, and see if we could get a better read with that volume, helping us get better picks, man. Those exceptional winners that Stan talks about. All right. Thanks, guys. See ya. Ciao.